In this video, I'll show you how to drag and drop files and folders using your laptop touchpad. Normally, when using a mouse, you click and hold a file, then drag it to another location. On a laptop touchpad, you can do the same thing using the double tap and drag gesture. Let's say you want to move a file or image into another folder. First, place the cursor over the file. Now, quickly tap the touchpad twice, but after the second tap, keep your finger on the touchpad without lifting it. Your file is now attached to the cursor. Next, slide your finger across the touchpad to drag the file to the destination folder. Once you reach the folder or location where you want to move the file, lift your finger to drop it there. If you lift your finger immediately after the second tap without dragging, the file will not move. You can use the same method to move folders, documents, pictures, or other files on your laptop. That's it. This is how you can drag and drop files and folders using a touchpad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.